Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your WeChat account. And since I don't have the WeChat account, I'm going to show it to you and I'm going to demonstrate in the video. So go ahead right here to your browser and search for how to delete your WeChat account. And it says right here, after log in into WeChat, you can request account deletion in Me, and then go ahead to the settings and you're gonna move forward to account security, and there you're gonna find the WeChat security center and you're gonna see account cancellation. If you want to get to know it better, to know how to delete your own WeChat account, you're gonna be able to see it within the article right here. And basically you're gonna see right here the the many questions that you have right here to delete your own WeChat account. Okay, so I'm gonna just click right here, how do I delete WeChat account, and just go ahead right here. It says your account will be automatically logged out after the cancellation request is successfully submitted. To cancel your account deletion, log in into your WeChat account, and within the 60 days after submitting your application, after 60 days, your account and all of your information will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to retrieve your information again. All right, and meanwhile you still have the option to get back to your account within the 60 days parameter, right? So after you've gone to Me in the settings, in the account security, you're gonna see the WeChat security center, and then you're gonna move along to the account cancellation. You're gonna find it in the settings. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.